It's my night to black out. I've known it since this morning when I pulled my first cigarette out. Took a look in the mirror, said fuck you, and sat right back down. I know I wasn't happy, but what if that's the happiest I'll ever be? And that's what terrifies me. These are the thoughts that terrorize me. And you're probably wondering what my problem is. Well, I feel ugly and happy people make me sick. And there's definitely something taking some part of me. And you didn't just destroy my mind, you took my body. And my lungs are turning black to match my heart in this guitar. And I had the full set, but I had to trade my heartbeat and my breath. And I empty the contents of my pockets onto the bed. And it's a new one, well it's new to me at least. And this one doesn't smell like you. And I know we jumped the gun, but you put it to my head and said, get the hell out of the car. Even though we were doing 90, I jumped out blindly and made my own way home. You're probably wondering what my problem is. Well, I feel ugly and happy people make me sick. I'm driving drunk again because I know how much you hate it. You took my life just when I thought you had saved it. And my lungs are turning black to match my heart in this guitar. And I had the full set, but I had to trade my heartbeat and my breath.
Hey guys, this is Matt from Alien Ghost Magic. That song was called A Funeral for a Bird. It's going to be on our new album that we're working on. Be sure to like and subscribe and keep a lookout for some new videos soon.